if you get ill if you are in the passenger seat. So.
No, I'm okay. When I'm a driver, I'm not ill.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes, please. Braking into two. So you brake one time before the corner, you go off brake, and after corner you can go back on brake again. So when the car is in balance, you brake. Yes, very good. Then in and here. Try to use the brakes instead of gear change, because you will have more control over the car.
I shouldn't set second gear here.
Well, it would be okay with third gear. Yes, and off brake and steer and try to start drift. Yeah, try to get in and smooth. Build up the speed. Straight car and brake. Brake. Off brake. Brake again. So split the braking in two parts. See, the tires are spinning too much on second gear. So try to stay more in third gear. So, did you feel that you were braking and steering at the same time? That's the reason why the car starts to understeer. So completely off brake before you turn the steering wheel. Yes, on. Stay in same gear. Yes. Very good. Yes. And straight car and brake here. Off brake and brake again. Very good, very good. Try to go in. Yes, third gear. Very good. Brake. Off brake. Very good. And then to inside and go out. Yes, very good. Stay out. In. When the car is in balance, brake, off brake, steer. Good, very good. Yes, and here, just try to rock it.
Too slow, yes.
Yeah, so do it without braking. In this case, it's very good, very good. Brake, off brake. Keep out. Yes, on. Try. And set the car in balance and brake. Off brake. Brake again. Off brake and steer. Try to get in. Yes, very good, very good. Perfect. Yes, very good. Very good. Nice control. Nice control. Yes. There we go. Brake. Try to get in. Because otherwise it will be too fast into this one. Yeah, very good. You can go to pit area now. Very good. Very good. You can turn around the yellow and black bag. Good. Very low speed. Full steering. Yeah. Good. So make the braking in 2 steps over there. One time before the corner, you go off, take the corner, and then brake again. And then you take the sharp left-hand corner.
Should I try to accelerate between 2 brakes?
No.
No?
It's enough. If it's enough with the braking, so because otherwise you will have too much speed into the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, and the corner over there, when you said that was too slow, you can do these 2 corners without braking between them.
Okay. I'll
Because,
try.
yes, because when you are going on brakes, in that case, the front tires lose the grip, and you have to wait for steering again. So it's better that you try to go, and you go off throttle just a little bit, and then steer and go on throttle again.
Okay.
The car will stay more balanced, and you can do it even smoother, and it will be faster with more control.
Okay.
Very good.